as you can see, sun is already coming up, so you already know it has been so dead. Haven't gotten my first order yet. All right, here we go. This is pretty high mileage, but the pay is good enough to where it might make up for all this lost time, hopefully. This is Voodoo Donut, $26 going 13 miles.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great one.
You as well. Okay, I think that trip was worth it because I am back on pace, maybe a little bit behind still, only because I have to drive back into town. Oh, apparently DoorDash has been down this morning, which would kind of explain why it's been so slow. And I guess I got really lucky with that Voodoo one because it was enough to cover the first hour. Hopefully those issues have been resolved by now. All right, finally got an order. This is gonna be for McDonald's, $10 and some change, going 5 miles.
You do vlogs?
Both of them?
No, both of them.
Okay, thank you. Pretty sure I was here yesterday. Either that or I'm having deja vu. Oh, just got a DoorDash order. It is garbage, so still offline for me. And I got my next order. This is gonna be for McDonald's again. $11 going 5 miles. Oh, this is a stack actually. I don't know how I missed that. I'll still do it. Not the greatest anymore, but the mileage is pretty low, so why not?
Good morning, hon.
Morning.
Back for another one?
45C and 380.
450 and 380.
Yes.
There's 380. And here's 45C.
Perfect. Thank you. Oh, gross. This one has a pin on it. Perfect. There you are.
Awesome. Thank
Have a good
you.
day. Next order just came in. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 and some change, going 4 miles. Only 2 items. Looks like we're just picking up some coffee creamer. 2 of them. Should be really easy. Simple as that. Let's go check out.
Welcome.
Must be down again because I am not getting any orders. We've got an Uber order at least. This is going to be Chick-fil-A, $9 going 4 miles. I got it. Thank you. Have a great day. I finally got an order. This is going to be for Kitchen Table Cafe, $9.75 going just under 5 miles. This one's got potential of having a hidden tip on it, so crossing my fingers. Also, it's a weekend and this place gets so packed, so hopefully it's actually ready. You know what? I just got this McDonald's order. Let's do this instead. This is $8 and some change going just under 3 miles.
Here for pickup?
Yeah, not for that one though.
Alright. Is this your number?
No. Thank you. Of course, it's upstairs. Got this next order right away. It's gonna be for Chick-fil-A. $9 going 5 miles. Thank you. Can't remember if I need a gate code for this place. And I need a gate code. Of course I need a gate code. I got really lucky. Somebody was behind me. Snuck in right behind them. Next up, we've got a stacked Seize the Bagel. This one's gonna be $16 going 7 miles. Bro, believe it or not, speed limit is higher than 20 miles an hour. Do we have any drinks here? Not on that one. No drinks. Lucky, lucky. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, both orders ready for me. I like that. Oh, I can already tell this one's gonna be a pain. Dropping off on Main Street on a weekend, just about lunchtime, so surely it's not gonna be too busy, right? All right, well, parked in front of a bank, so hopefully I don't get towed. We'll find out. Where is the entrance is the question. How do I get in here? This is pretty cool. All right, what are the odds that my car is gonna be there once I turn this corner? Place your bets. There it is. I think I might call it here. Kind of not feeling it anymore today. And that's one of the good things about doing this. I can just call it quits whenever I want. Current time is 11:44. Current total is 96. And I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably 102, 103-ish, which I think is pretty decent considering how the day went. Didn't get my first order until like 45 minutes into my shift. And there was a lot of downtime, so I'm not complaining too much. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.